What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is that time yet again to open up another package. This one is from the Kustomizer. I'll have his link down below. Go ahead and check him out. He's also a local collector, and he does some really good customizing on some 164s. I believe he only does Hot Wheels, but I'm not too sure. Definitely go check him out. And while we're on that topic, Derek over at Honest Diecast hooked me up with this really clean GT350 that he custom did for me. Check out that detail. I love the way people do outlines on all the body panels. Definitely captures the body lines, but I love the wheel choice that he put on there. And check out that detail. He did some really good headlight and turn signal detail. He did the front splitter. He did everything, and it looks really, really good. Very simple, but I definitely do appreciate this. So this is going to go on the shelf of customs, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right there because I don't think it's gonna fit. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go ahead and open up the package from Ron over at the Kustomizer. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, guys, you ready? Let's see what my boy sent. Oh man, I can see something really good custom work right here. Oh man, check this out, guys. Oh my. Alright, so let's see. He says, Mustang Hunter, thanks for the dope content. Also, thanks for showing me that store. I really needed that. My collection is low. Here go a few Mustangs I don't need because I have them carded already. Keep them videos coming, bro. I also put in a 68 Copo Camaro in purple I ain't seen you with. So this is from the Kustomizer Diecast. P.S. I hope you like these customs. Here's two customs for Datsun Diecast. Oh, okay. These are clean. I'm actually going to edit this out. I don't want that in there. Here we go. For the Mustang Hunter, you do have a really nice, all blacked out Bentley Continental GT3. Look at those wheels he put on there. Really good detail. You do have the tail light. And of course, he added some rear diffuser detail. Check this out, guys. This is super clean. Definitely love that texturized black. And then we got, let's see, what do we got right here? All right, so we got another loose. I think it's the 2013 Custom GT with the Sam T deco on there. 2012 Mustang. This one actually Kingnut hooked me up with out of his pack, and I actually made a card for it right there. But now I have a second one that I can actually customize because this car has really good body lines, especially with that wide body. Let's see. We got a red. Oh, I don't have this one. You got the red, looks like a 2010 Mustang GT in red enamel. You got the coils drift team deco on there with the gray 10 spokes. Very, very clean. I do not have this one, so hell yeah. And we got, ooh, this is that exclusive GT500. Look at that. The gloss black with the matte black camo deco on there with the red stripes. Very clean. The black PR5s with the chrome red trim. And then, of course, you have the red interior. Look at this, guys. This is, I believe, the 9-pack exclusive. And here we go. Is this the 68 Copo in metallic purple? Look at that color. Oh man, that looks so good. You got the white stripe running down the side, the Camaro tampos, as well as the chrome MC5s. Really, really nice. Ooh man, that is clean. I'm definitely gonna have to make a custom card for this one so I can hang it up with the rest of my Camaros. Let's see, what else do we got? Bunch of loose ones, which I definitely appreciate. Ooh, here we go. We got the dark blue metallic Mach 1 with the gray 5 spokes and the gray louvers on the back. I do have this one loose, actually. I don't know where I got it, but this thing is super clean. Look at that. God, I love that color. Then we got, looks like another, ooh, this is that color I wanted. I think this is out of the Top Gun 5-pack from Matchbox. Check this out. Check it out. Gunmetal gray with the black 5 spokes. Definitely good. I think this is out of the Top Gun 5-pack. I think we got one more. There it is, guys. Black Shelby 427. Here we go. You guys remember I did sacrifice this car and it's sitting in pieces right there. So finally, I can put this bad boy back in my display. as a solid cast. Last but definitely not least, oh man, look at this. It's the murdered out Nova wagon gasser. Look at that. Look at that. He did the block, he did the stacks, he did the long tube headers. That wheel swap looks great. And check out that taillight detail. Really, really good. Looks like he does have some interior detail as well. Some bottles in the back. Some racing seat harnesses that he detailed. You can't see it on here, but check this out. Dude, you did a really good job on this. Look at that. Now this is going to sit perfectly with a full set of gassers. So this is going to go right here so I can remember that. Thank you so much for sending me what you sent. That is freaking amazing. I love these loose castings. Even the ones I have already, like this blue one and the Mach 1, I still love extras, so I can customize that one for sure. And then this one I do not have. This looks really good with that deco. And then this one out of the Top Gun 5-pack. This is just a nice color. And of course the 9-pack exclusive GT500. Check this out, guys. Kingnut has this one, and I was really wanting it, but I did not want to eat up a 9-pack just to get this casting. Cannot forget the Bentley GT3 that he customed. This thing looks really, really good. This is gonna also go up on the rack of customs right there. And I cannot forget this really nice purple Copo. Look at that, 68 looks good. Man. So another great package from another awesome collector in the local area. So again, check out his channel. I'll have his link down below. And of course, guys, if you liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below which one of these loose castings was your favorite. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.